Welcome. It's easy to integrate your root domain into Systeme.io if you are using Namecheap as a hosting service provider. Practically, all we need to do is create these 3 records inside our Namecheap account and then enter the hosts and values from our Systeme account. Basically, there are 8 main steps to the process. Step 1. Let's add the root domain into Systeme. First, click Settings on this drop-down menu. Then click Custom Domains. Now click Add Domain here. Enter your domain name starting with www and click Save Changes. Here you will see 2 DNS records called CNAMEs. These CNAMEs are the DNS records that you will add to the Namecheap DNS zone to connect your domain. The CNAME records you see here are just examples, so you must enter your own values. The host values are the highlighted values, excluding the domain, as you can see here. These values are all that we need. As you can see here, for the first CNAME record and the ALIAS record, the value is the same. Now, let's go to our Namecheap account. While here, select Domain List from the drop-down menu. Click Manage in the Domain section, then click Advanced DNS. We will delete any existing CNAME records that might be here. Then, we will create our 3 records by clicking Add New Record. Enter the hosts and values in these data entry fields. I usually do not change the TTL, so it remains automatic. Make sure to save your changes and we are done. And finally, to verify that the domain has been integrated correctly, these 3 formats should all work and lead to the same page. My domain here is just an example. And after the DNS records are fully propagated, your domain loads one system page. For my domain, this is how it looks. So that was all. If you have any questions, please make sure to ask in the comment section below. I will do my best to answer all of your questions. I thank you very much for your time and support.